Well, hello, welcome, welcome, welcome. Come on in, come on in, come on in. It is wonderful to have you here. What I want to talk about today is what is MWR Financial. I know you may be looking at this as a way to get out of debt, increase your income, or maybe even make more income. Maybe this is just something that you heard of and you want a little more information about it. Or maybe you're already a member, you want to kind of get a better understanding of what you've actually joined. And so I'm going to take a 30,000-foot view and kind of share that with you. Before I do that, let me tell you who I am. My name is Sean Hill of IncreaseMyChecks.com, and I help people keep more of their income from their paycheck, get that instant raise without having to ask their boss. So once again, I'm going to go through this at a very high level, not going to hit every slide because this is just a real quick way of telling you exactly what this company is about. So home of the instant pay raise and everything you need to make wealth real, which MWR stands for, obviously. So just real high level, think about this and how is this system working for you? Stop me if you've heard this. Get a good education, get a good job, give up a third of your income to taxes, use credit to make up the difference, then another third of your income to service the debt that you got from the credit. Use the remaining third of your income to cover your normal living expenses. Then try to save or invest with enough for retirement. How is that working for you? How does that work for your parents or your grandparents? And how do you think that'll be working for your kids? Well, the good news is that we have a better way. But Forbes says that we right now are in the greatest retirement crisis in American history. We even have professional athletes that are going broke. Most Americans are one paycheck away from the street, and more than half Americans will retire broke. Good news, we have a better system. And our mission is to help people, help the large majority of Americans that are struggling with debt to get out of debt. So I'm not going to go through all this, touched on that a little bit. Let me just get to the products that we offer and how they can possibly help you. So let me go here through here. And so, like I said, we're going to really take a high-level view of it. There'll be a longer presentation later, so don't worry about all this. All right. And here's one of the things I like about our company is you'll be able to determine whether you qualify even before you spend a dime. What you'll do is we'll give you a site that you can go to. You can just plug in these several answers, and we'll give you an estimate of what you could possibly save with our system. So before you have to spend a dime, you will know, hey, is this for me or not? I've turned down several people, not because I wanted to, but really because I thought we didn't have something that would work for them. And so, there's other alternatives, but this is what we like to help people with. And so let me get here. And the average is $300 to $600 per month instant pay raise as soon as your next check. So that can be pretty nice. So we're going to go through here, and Financial Edge membership, that's what we're talking about. The Money Max. With Money Max, you get unlimited financial advice on demand. Let me ask you, who do you go to for financial advice right now? Maybe Google, maybe Uncle Fred, but they usually are not, professionals. And one, they don't have the specific knowledge to apply to your specific situations. That's what our Money Max program does. You have unlimited consultations with a CPA, CFPs, or EAs, and so these are professionals that do this for a living, not Uncle John that just joined the company a few days ago and now wants to tell you about investing and getting your credit better. Answers to virtually any financial matter. So you'll be able to ask your professionals. They're going to be working for you any matter that you may have. Tax reduction and instant pay raises for you. We talked about that. Automated mileage and expense trackers included with the membership. W4 adjusted for you, not you have to do it yourself. And here's one of my favorite parts is you can look at submit your last 3 years tax returns and have our professionals or your professionals look at them to get you a refund. How good is that? All right. And let me go back here. Credit Max, credit restoration strategies, higher credit scores, lower interest rates, lower down payments, and lower insurance premiums. Our average credit score increases between 50 to 150 points or more. Credit rebuilding, so not just credit restoration, but credit rebuilding, rent reporting, installment, and revolving account. And we can even connect you with some identity theft correction. So that's always important. Equity max, debt elimination strategy for you. How would you like to be able to keep your same job, keep your same income, keep the same budget, and be able to pay off all your debts in record time? Monthly statements that tell you exactly what to do for your specific situation. Very, very powerful. Like I said, a lot of the presentation we're not going to go through because I really just want to give you a high level. And the last piece of this puzzle is wealth max, wealth generation strategies. Get your money making money for you. Unlimited consultations with real wealth experts, professional analysis to develop the best wealth plan for you and your family, self-banking, a private reserve account. How would you like an account that's the best way to save, grow, and protect your money tax-free with no risk of loss? I'm going to tell you how to do that. And also land banking, real estate investing. Most people want to invest in real estate, but either they don't have the money or they don't know how. But how would you like to be able, as you progress through this system, to be able to buy land at 20 to 40% below market value in the path of growth without having to write a check? So that is a very, very high level overview of what MWR Financial is. If you have questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Please go to my site, www.increasemychecks.com. The link will be in the description, and you can submit your information there, and I'll be happy to get back in touch with you. With that being said, I want to wish you a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.